Hello everyone, welcome to Jurisage Academy. This is the founder of Jurisage, and today we're going to talk about is it the right time to start your preparation? Because a lot of queries that we have got from students that sir, is it the right time to start your preparation, or are 3 months enough for the preparation, or 4 months enough for the preparation? So that's why we thought, okay, this video will help you to clear your all doubts and queries regarding this particular question. Okay, so that you can start your preparation right then and there without thinking a lot of things. Okay, so we haven't uploaded videos in last 10 days, and sorry for that. And actually we are opening our branch in Kolkata, so that's why we are a little busy with setting up and all those things. So definitely sorry for that. We are going to be very regular. And also another important thing that we want to share with you is that we are going to start with another essay topics, important essay topic series. So because we have got a lot of comments from you people that sir, please suggest subjective answer essay topics from different subjects. So we are going to start with that series as well very soon. So please subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed to it. So let's start the video. So, is it the right time to start your preparation? So, this things is quite common to students, and a lot of students before starting the preparation they think that is it the right time to start your preparation. And we have got a lot of queries from you people: is it the right time to start your preparation, or am I too late to start a preparation, or 3 months enough, or 4 months enough, or 5 months enough? But nonetheless, we have only 90 days or not even 90 days left for our preparation, and also now 13 subjects are there for your preparation, so you have to study a lot more than the usual. But is it the right time? Now, regarding the is it the right time, I can tell you, if we divide this particular um, topic into two parts. Let's talk about first the fifth year students who are fifth year or the third year students who are in integrated program or BLB program. Okay, so for all of them who are in the fifth year or third year program, I can tell you, I mean, you people are in the last semester, and or even in the ninth semester or 10th semester, okay, or even the fifth or sixth semester, or either you are going to give your exam of sixth semester very soon. So within the 90 days, this you are going to give the semester exam as well. So you have around 60 to 70 days. So the thing is that what I'm going to convey here is this: you people are all in the similar situation. Don't think that someone is way ahead than me, someone is not. I haven't prepared a lot of things. I am way far behind than other students. It's not like that. You people are in fifth year. You have your ninth semester. You have your 10th semester. You have your fifth or sixth semester. You are going to have the exam. Some colleges have the attendance issue, so you people they are going to attend the classes as well. Okay, in the ninth or 10th semester. So these things are going to be there. So, and by doing all those things, students are going to take out the time and they're going to study. Okay, so you people are not at disadvantage, that I can tell you. And you can start your preparation. Don't think about a lot of things, rather than just go and start your preparation. So preparation is the most important thing, and thinking about the preparation is the one and only thing that you can do right now. Okay, so just plunge into your preparation and start studying. Don't think about anything. Okay, so you are not far behind, the first of all. And the second part that I'm going to talk about, the working professionals. Okay, regarding the working professionals, I need to tell you is that a lot of people who are willing to shift to LLM or the higher studies and doing the litigation or other corporate sector, or who are in different working zone. For them, I need to tell you is that for all of them, they're going to take the leave for the next 2 or 3 months. Okay, so and then they're going to start your preparation, because when you are in the when we are working professionals, you don't get a lot of time, because you have 10 to 5 or 10 to 8. You have very difficult and busy schedule for yourself, for your work purpose, so you will not get a lot of time. You haven't got a lot of time so much. Now you have taken a leave. A lot of students, and sorry, a lot of working professionals, they have taken the leave. They take the leave and they start their preparation. So you people are also in the similar situation. So don't think about that you are not getting a lot of time, or you are far behind than other working professionals, or other students. So all the fifth students and the working professionals, they are going to get the around 70 to 80 days for the preparation. Okay, so just go and start your preparation and study. Okay, don't think about anything. You have very less time. You have to 13 subjects to study. So go and start studying. Don't think about anything. Now, another important thing I want to talk to you regarding this. Now, as the 13 subjects are there, I want to tell you is that you have to do the smart study now, because there are a lot of subjects, there are a lot of things to study. So you have to do the smart study. If you don't do the smart study, you might not be able to complete all those things. Okay, so you need to understand, and you have to filter out. You need to know what to include, what to exclude. Okay, so for that I will tell you, if you can do it by yourself, absolutely fine. If you cannot do it by yourself, take help of any guide, any coaching. Okay, so that will help you out. Okay, what to study, what not to study, because time is very less. Time is 70-80 days. Okay, so that I'm going to suggest to you. If you want to take our help, absolutely fine. The link is given below. You can go and definitely enroll for any of the program. If you take any other program help, you can definitely take it out, but take the help, because the people who are giving you the comprehensive package, you definitely go for it. Okay, so this is the solution. So is it the right time? Absolutely, this is the right time. Just go and start your preparation. Okay, so don't wait for another year, so that you are going to give the CLAT. Give it this year. Okay, don't think, because every year they changes something. So I think this year the perfect time for you to go and give it. Okay, this is it for today, and we're going to meet again in the next video regarding the important essay topics. Comment below who all are wants to have the essay topic series. Okay, important essay topic series. Can comment below. I'd like to see all of comments from you people who all are interested. Kindly comment below, and if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And this is it for today. We are going to meet very soon. Thank you. See you soon.